everyone, welcome back to SteveOTube 2007. I just thought I'd do you a quick video. I just thought I'd just make a quick introduction and set you up for the day. So this is a video of getting the car up to the rolling road and having it checked for its power settings. Obviously, engine built by Anthony at CKM Motor Engineers. Fantastic people, great guy, knows a hell of a lot about these engines. So I don't hesitate in going to Anthony. So I'll plow on with the video and we'll catch you at the end. Cheers, guys. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to SteveOTube 2007. So in the last video, we got the engine running and everything prepped, ready to go off to the rolling road to get the engine checked and set up. So what I'll do is I'll put in a little bit of footage of that day here, and then I'll come back and we'll have a quick chat about it. So, you saw Matt there, Matt Twynham. He has a DARVI 750 Formula car as well, and his engine ran lovely. Mine produced very, very good power. It was really good. Tried a few things, got it really to the optimum that we wanted and were looking for. But on the last run, it blew its head gasket. So we did push it, and it blew its head gasket on the last run. So, which, hey, it's one of those things. You know, this is trial and error with this stuff. So, so I'm back at home. Got the car off the trailer. I've stripped down all the bits and pieces, and I'm about to take the cylinder head off. So I thought I would just video removing the head and seeing what the damage is underneath. I suspect it's just blown near the waterway. And just pop the ring on the gasket as they normally go, but we'll set the camera up there and we'll film actually pulling it off the block. Okay. So as you can see, we've done a lot of the dismantling already. So the exhaust is off, the water pipe off the back of the cylinder head is off. Obviously the rocker cover's off. The engine was set to top dead centre. The inlet is all off. And now the cam belt's off. So I've just loosened and removed the head bolts. Oh yeah. And so now we'll get ready to remove the cylinder head. So let me just set the camera up. Okay, right, so get some gloves on. It didn't actually overheat the engine. We saw the gasket blow and it pushed all the water out to the dispatching bottle in front of the front there. So let's see whether we've got the. Oh, she's loose. We'll take it. Yeah. Just flip you around and show this. So there she blows. So that's where she's gone there, and actually she's gone there as well. So yeah, I just need to take some photographs of that for my engine builder. Next steps are that cylinder head is off. Anthony he's my engine builder. He's now going to build a new head. We'll probably put a little bit less, not take it quite to the same extreme, I guess, as this one. We did skim quite a bit off this head, and clearly the compression's too high for the gaskets. So we'll build up another head. We shouldn't lose too much power, to be honest, with that. And we'll get that done, get that back on the car, and we'll get it back up to the rolling road and go for round 2. So I'll keep everyone posted on how we get on, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers for watching. There we go. So I think a lot of stuff learned out of that. You know, we know where we can't take the engine to, and so we, you know, need to go back to the drawing board a little bit, make some more decisions, and go from there. We've got a few ideas as to what we can do. Some of those obviously we'll keep under wraps, because that's what it's like in this game. Can't wear a cap with these glasses, they keep going up and down. Good news and bad news. The good news was that we had an engine that produced a huge amount of power. It was really good, but you know, I'm sure it would have been great for one lap at Donington, but then I'd have just disappeared in a cloud of steam. So that wasn't going to be any good at all. So what we're doing is we're building up another cylinder head ready for it, and what we'll probably do is get that together, and I'll probably meet Anthony up at the rolling road, and then we'll get it bolted on there and go for another session and see what we can get. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll still be able to get a very similar amount of power, and but with reliability this time. So I'll catch up with you when we come back then. Cheers, guys. Ta-da.